Hello everyone, I'm Kyla from Engage. Today, I'm going to explain to you the best way to use Facebook groups to market your business. If you find this useful, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Today, Facebook groups occupy a larger role in the lives of Facebook users than ever before. With 1.4 billion active users in over 10 million groups, a survey conducted by Facebook revealed that 77% say the most important group they're a part of now operates online. And a staggering 98% of people who belong to an online group say they feel a sense of belonging to that group. When running a Facebook group for your brand, your focus should not be on marketing, but engagement. Everything you do on Facebook groups should try to make members feel special. That's the fundamental way that groups are different from Facebook pages. With that in mind, the first decision when setting up your group is whether to make it public or private. Public means that the content in the group is searchable and shareable, making it easier to grow the number of members. It also lets anyone see the list of group members. Private groups limit who can see the content and member lists to current members only. This not only makes people less hesitant to join the group, it also makes them more confident in speaking freely once in the group. And that's what I mean when I say engagement. In fact, some of the most effective brand Facebook groups, like National Geographic's Women of Impact and Gold's Gym Challenge, are private. So don't be afraid to add a tiny bit of user friction if it means fostering a sense of exclusivity. Finally, add an image to your group. Try to use something that's slightly different from your brand's Facebook page so that the group is easily recognizable. If you're looking for designs or infographics that can help you create your group and run it by posting a variety of content, try using Venngage, as it offers pre-designed and customizable templates to meet all of your design needs. You can easily edit any of these templates online and download them in any format you like. Now, there are still several ways to convert page followers into group members. Start by announcing your new Facebook group by sharing it on your existing Facebook page. You can also pin the announcement to the top of your Facebook page. Next, use your other marketing channels. Spread the link via email, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, or wherever you engage with your community. Encourage people to become founding members of your new group. When people start joining a group, you have to start approving their membership by filtering them out. The first thing you can do is set up a questionnaire related to your product or service that users have to answer to be automatically admitted. You can also set up a geo-filter to automatically let people within, say, 50 miles of your location. This is particularly useful for local businesses. You can allow friends of existing group members instant access, and you can filter out any Facebook profiles that are less than 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, or 2 years old, which will remove most bots and trolls. And with that said, it's pretty much all you need to start a Facebook group. If you need any help, comment down below. Try using Venngage for free. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and I'll see you in the next one.